Ni kebingi wan hang ni. Ni. You could just jump into it.
Telling a resort there.
Ini kong hadirin tila. Muja pe dengerin video pe. Oh, keleng-keleng.
Not the same thing as sea floating clouds.
Looks like a stairway to heaven. You chicks, where are lies Sausan? Where?
Ada sandal nak dia nak ni subscriber.
Adi. Tolong tangan yang ni di Praja. Uji par number sa. I had expected a big golden thing. Maybe not today.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun.
I am so excited. The sun is out.
Like and subscribe. Yes. Tia cloud besar tersun.
Video sini tu dang step hik like hit like baci sawaci.
Bye bye. Nan makran ni ah. Bye bye makut. Terus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. Grishmo perlok nilai kenu biang sisi ni video ngidan hang ni wow lawan tu babayar hante marba. We have very special guest with us. Poti all the way from Assam, Teespur. Recently I had put up a post on to be part of the video. Luckily she responded, so we invited her and we're going to take her to a place that she haven't been before. How is Shillong treating you, yeah, so far?
Quite good, yeah. It's one of my favorite places in Northeast to come to.
Something like this will be new for you here.
Yeah, this is new.
Perlok ngini alam mentakasngi yapi yang aru kumjo. It's still new for me. Kadang thmai yang aru kumjo. Namar ngapa jupoi ketika nong jorong syuting. Bro kala itu khana. This will be my first time. I'm not sure what to expect.
First time?
It seems so, right? Lawan ya? I kompoti ini ile yakini ki kini research ke bai day kini ki YouTubers kini ki content creators ke boong hang ni hapo ni kathan stay lam ingi ikwa banwan hang ni khandang ba ikwa banyu I kom shna video jongi shani jongi ki khasi. This is just 3 AM ne 2:30 quarter to 3. Nilai poin nong jerong kali kila ayabun kita berkat poin nikong tama la poin bispo. Isu hang ni ki iru nomor badang step pelan kejingdum te hang ni te hai re hai padi ki iru ndi kali la tusnong ki ong san buji san steng kan bi ta ka sngi te sashphang hang ni kan sami ke hang te. What are you expecting for it?
Dragon.
Bayar here is expecting a dinosaur to just come out from the clouds, you know. Kadang-kadang nagising ko ko magamtip kan long kumno. Pikatay hantay kelas sedang mi. Oh, okay, kelas sedang po. Oh, I like this. Look at the lighting here. Nice. Looks good, no?
Yeah, not bad.
The river. The river should be somewhere. Yeah, somewhere. Imagine if you can just walk on these clouds.
Yeah. What's the tagline of Meghalaya? It's like abode of clouds.
Yeah, the abode of clouds, yes. Oh, I can see the moon in the background, see?
Yeah, I already saw there.
And see, the lighting is getting even better. Kani perlu kadi kisnong kabitanat kejong. How is it so far?
Very pretty. Quite pretty. I mean, like, imagine there. I'm telling a resort there.
Yeah.
Would feel like
I'll make one.
you make one and I'll come.
Kaplim hangni kalakut ngini her sa siapo kapatu. So this is the part 2 of the video, and Miss Pochi she's going down the hill to get a taste of the water or taste of the clouds. So nice. Oh ni si ngada sngo pala banga dan hang ni mga pajuan si kani kalyang toleran katahi tamahan ng susarong do katahi. Sana ba rauna? So Pochi, this is the cloud. And these are the stones that you can step on. This is the fence, that's the gorge. Yeah, and down below you'll have the river, and he's our camera guy. I had expected a big golden thing with that round,
Like a proper sun or something.
yeah, sort of, but maybe not today.
Have a panchayat level election.
Ani, kajing step nan national okay dom. Jangan mana nak telong na ako rin ako. Telong. Kaya kanulunti si singkid. Singi. Si kenta? Oh, si polunti. Ni kasan nanti. They're rushing because they have 15 rounds to cover.
Oh my.
Ari ler bha ta dor to. Kuno feel lang klein.
Ani sandal nak kan nak ni subscriber.
Ari. Ta kalong ta kan yang ni. Is my jacket glowing?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Ngana ko akan thaba pati ke jacket ta. Enjoy ma. I was expecting the clouds would go a little higher. No, I thought that, you know, somewhere here. But even when we were
like
up
from
there,
Okay.
yeah, even when we were
Maybe
up there.
if you would have come a little earlier.
Ni kita ke perthei jungkil o hakani ke jaka. Ke perthei jungkil o. Oh. Ini kong hadirin te ila. Muja pe dengerin video pe. Keleng-keleng. Record as much as you can. Alright, ini kong di iwe iba lawan ban text nga po Instagram banong bakwa ban dan lang hakani ke sing video jo ha. Siklish bit enjoy ni mo. Tendela dan preng jupir bakwa ban dan benta ti saile komta kidang dan bun kiwi kibala pa message nga po Instagram ti saap di kapali mo nganum la ban khonlut brok khachi sen khon ri iwe si arngut hakoi ka video. Tim tasngi te layon pinsang shani. How is it?
Been quite nice actually. Also, I really wanted to experience what people do like while vlogging, no?
Yeah, man.
And the first time.
How about you vlog?
No, yeah. No, yeah. I'll leave it to the professional. The confidence, no, you need
True,
to just be like walking with your camera. Like right now, I'm here with you, so at least we're having a conversation.
Oh
But
yeah.
if I'm alone and to just like walk around
And then talk to the camera
Yeah, and then say,
all by myself like
and also be
oh
like so jolly and happy.
true. Honey, I like this. Come on. Hi, it's Frank. You chicks, we are live sau san. We are to video.
This is gonna be dinner.
Ni itu spot. Hey, ni kini pen.
That we have lost.
Ni duduk mana? Kini one upstairs ni macam ni. Bro, pai bas ni tikum kayo. Ni sini, ni ya bundu sini ro. Orna. We have a totally different place here, yeah? See? Damn. Oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun.
I am so excited. The sun is out.
We should have. Hi, kafun. Kali. Ring. Bani. Oh, this is good. Oh, di teh yang kesengi perlok. Oh, lovely. Oh, this is so nice. This is good. It's so nice, man. Oh, I'm feeling so happy. This is what I was talking about. The big fat sun. Oh, this is too good, yeah?
Oh, the sun.
Oh my. This is good. This is what I was talking about.
The big fat sun. What are you taking a picture?
Yes. Get it in frame.
Oh. Please don't fall.
Anything for the picture. Oh, lovely. Oh,
It's because of the sun, the picture won't be that great.
No. See, one not that great.
Oh.
Not that. Abhi professional ban gaya hu. Nice.
Urungnya. Urung menyadur.
What size?
Kaning kebingiwan hang ni. Oh, look.
Look at the clouds.
Ni.
It's like you could just jump into it. It's like this Indian version of Pari Lok that you've seen.
Right. Ni Vijay, this color is really matching it. I like what I wear, man. Vijay, too good. Oh, ni kani kadai ka. This is like the sea of clouds. This is too good, man. What else can I say? Oh, this is lovely, man. Ni bit ay. Ni tawan nilam kai tu siya ni. Ani ka dikisin ka baningkong manwan baka nam dikisin makado. Ni vet. Kada dakal. Biti kisin manang siya te.
Top subscriber tu makut. Nuan nilam sini.
Kiba shake comment ba?
Bisa komen ba sa nilam yang pi sini.
Puyo pun light tu.
Ini mi RBG ka singi. Ni RBG min step. Tamun one page singi. Looks like a stairway to heaven.
Ada benang lupa ya.
Tasi. What's the one? Kadang ni iba mission. Kani kadai ka. Kalau ada ka dream come true ya. Bangan wan sini kam the contact in day ngalaya yo bani kendo. nga comment si kadaya nomor bakani ku makalong hangni mata ka dijeng tray borba jeng ba mison di parlok ha kani kisnong tinang tray stam susu lada piwan sini wa di ba mison ni penbiang lu dong sedong so ne lovely hey ya em ngan le aku ni ji sangi wan kerki you'll have to make the video sell okay hey oh si sendur pi ta kalong
yang ni
oh hai nang la bayang hang ni bayo ya katai nang ni pi
yang pin
ha yang pi nate yes skoi ali si ali klanya wan
Wan, ani lah ingat laksa.
lok si beli melong ini di Jakarta keler pula diberi urut dusnong kom no
bia
Vai, claro, bien.
nghĩ mình nếp còn cắn bà không chỉ biết hay cái lưỡi
Thank you, Prema. Kani di Jakarta ke barat tikna hi. Pitch tu dan duriau jengkilo. Hantai dan kesngi. Hani kidan ki para ki parlok bat kinong sondur kejuk kepor. Si sejrong kinong ki paiba hati jrong dan ubelai. Si mobile? Hah? Si isi nga mobile? Kau kudur beni ko tu. Beni? Ngan dapat apa pisar ngan dapat?
Iya, sama kan?
Siya ngan dapat. Oh, kamnang nga Peter Ben. Oh, katay. May di kiding, idi ka sim. Dan sim matay baya.
Ano?
Hang tay. Kadang kya eh. Look at that, it's floating, man.
Yeah, I told her the same thing. See floating clouds.
Nay, binyo kani, binyo na inero. Dafing pa niwan no. Ay, this is too good. My goodness. I just love this, yeah.
One thing you should mention in the vlog is that if people are coming to these places, you need to be a little fit physically.
Tadi kadai, lepiwan sini pihak banlong fit, pihak banlong biang kemet tepat nerite. Pilot penher drone. Cakap ini penher di drone kena tak. Let there be the drone shots. Ding 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 ding. Okay, ki drone shot ki bahit. Ada suhun di kan dikenai ki bapla nang tene suñ beneng liti flei ka long gumno sngku man chu yo ayat nyo hiti kilo tama ngada sungsho tikna kada best pelat ka long kada muja tikna mentar lenti pat nang ni sti sejrong ti kada ki ba khamso sat khandiat. You like what you see?
Yeah. Also I'm doing freely.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Merba ka long gumno ka kani ka.
Best palat.
First time merbaru. Kalau kom seperti prank lah. Seperti prank.
Kajan lang kung hato po film jong King Kong ta.
Film King Kong. Yeah, the Kong movie in the Bermuda. Lawan long kom no.
Even Jurassic Park has stuff like this.
The first time lawan ni lah pelan wan hadu ka New Year tong ma. Layo wan lupa no benta. New Year sawan biang, sanilam kidus. Kidus jong lawan penlem no bro kai. Lawan ni di Praja ni Kong berbari di ini di Praja uji nomor 1. And yeah, Puati here, so you can ask hers.
You can ask mine. If you're a content creator, please contact.
Yes. Yes. She's doing a lot of work here in Meghalaya and the northeastern states here.
So if you're a content creator from any of the states,
Yeah.
please do contact me.
She's like the mother of content creators. So she's in touch. She has a network of all the content creators here in the Northeast. How's your experience, trying to be a content creator for a day?
It's difficult,
Uh-huh.
not coming as naturally as it comes to you.
Uh-huh.
But I hope I'm doing well. You tell?
Yeah,
Am I being interactive enough?
yeah, of course you are. It's just that you're avoiding the camera, avoiding to hold the camera.
Yes.
So
You don't want bad angles.
the only thing that you need to upgrade your skill is to hold a camera and then speak. That's all. See, it's glowing now. They're from the other side of the road which we took. Remember the turn?
Yeah.
Finally, thank you so much, Meghalaya. I love Meghalaya.
Please visit Meghalaya.
If you take this angle, it looks like it's snowing. It's just snow. It's like a snow mountain there, not clouds. Really.
They're frozen stones outside, like this big stones.
Ni sandur ni tepek. Oh di. Ni kani kede kepada hit yang dikena he. Ni habani wan biang maman kapor. Chani wan shlong wan shu relax, wan shongkai, saat sengi kumni. No? You just come and relax and
For a bit.
yeah. It's really nice, yeah.
Come with your friends.
Leher pelat. Tukut. Lekit jengkit nak. Timentain pelang sudah kejeng kiu. Kejeng tangan nang ni kabam long syuk ke pertai. Po kala stang. Kawa kala paj pedang. Sana. Hello. Ilum.
Kenapa?
Wan sangkai wan tikai kesnong repi bitanat pelat. Ilum nah. Ta ong dah ni share, like, subscribe tu si Sian dah. Ta we are live. Share, like and subscribe. Yes. Kalau ni ke besong shit bahan mulai betul pergi. Yes. Kini kelaiwan hajing saya kelaiwan kham sengi nak net kelai miss. Tire na betajung piru ki balai miss tu siapa ni video na sedang dubukut berarti. Kham syok ha. Mo. Ta iya swa. Saya Syam. Ma. Like your result name? Like your result? All the best. Ma. Ni ada tu. Yes. Saya Syam. Ma. Biru enjoy. Bapak sana mile. Kajing mujah syong shit bah ying Sam. Dari baniwan kum ni kan ying Sam. Kham sengan. Ni silong nang iwan ngi tang sipara ni. Dari wan ni lam lang borok khai. Makun bakti tu lanang syok. Oh ya, apa marbahan tu dia tu. Bas mentari berkadang long green deh. Dari bakala dari bakala yap lut ke dieng. Kami bangsu dah layap pelang. Finally, lapai. Saya berkor jauh ni uriat. Tiga lo kampat ja. Mentala nyo. Stay dang dum ngan siapa tu lo ka warok bahaya bas siapa. Oh mah. Ngah cakap syong ah. Sa sor. Nacan hekin. When we came here, there was nothing. It is dark and the street light, and now there's a whole world beneath us. Hai kepertai ba. Tiga cloud besar tersuan. Nong Jurong. Tiba bayar pi kamu tak jaga sini.
It's beautiful.
Pi kamu ni nong ringdur nong sondur pi. Pi kamu pi pai jaga betul mai kamu ni.
Senang suka nak lupa ngalai bom lupa ran susang ikram lewat tat lah tu.
Weh,
Bawa sukram.
katanya dan sekali ke party na betajongi. That's our party, no?
A celebrity without being called.
Oh, there's food also there.
Where?
Come no, Filong. Klein. Naruh kabiang. First time kawan sini. Kabiang makin iperlok sana ipara setengah kali jongi. Ngilai enjoy extra plat mingi kalau isakut sedin.
Setelah penduk ya fi. Penduk video.
Iba mison nang ni badikong ni bi tristom hang nang ni nopo. Ni kasnong nong jrong ni kala pauna madu kan ni. Tengah nget ba nang ni syahmat kan nang ler susu. Kita tong sekolah pun kli kanungut ki bawan nak kasi singi sini mentah.
Ya mentah tercencar hari menbo cingkai namar baki berikin mix sebadan arang lengut kamtam haki sengi syuti kan. Entah situ pak tam dan.
Kagak kambun ni ki sengi yo.
Itu sengi syuti hi ho. Takadau namar ban bo cing thor ngeladon sangut dengut. Tipsu.
Ya.
Sakawe dah lami lah yami lut baru kau jaga kopor.
Kamu ke kani medap ismam ni ka.
Kata po imdan cakap parting hari sini ting ni suruh. Hapsu tercencar hon mani cikin hari. Sayawan dayawan ru daya wan ikendu iba mison nomor by the way ni kiba la tri borba ban penpauna ni ke Jakarta tengah kami lenti bak kenang biang kamai kaji ringki nong seni ki babun ngata kirap babun ho sia kendai persen te kidai bikin ngrep nang ni ka kawe ro hani long cencar ka namar baha kapor telang em kamut ban bampor be ar kenta ban yo si thiu ka namar hap up te ka telong jo ka ro karit Kibir sini tu dang step hik lai kit alai beci sabuci namar bara dang step ya habai lai rep.
Jadi namanya dang step ni lai ida lai kit piang sirum seneng. Tang kit bok ruang moi pi ka baro hi bi kibai don betah kan ni baro kai. Pi dan society nam nama ta.
Tempat don dengan dang form entah ko.
Tah te kit bok ruang bikin ya bejarti pir sewan mo. Le piawan siwan dikendu ikong wan dikendu iba misan. Oh, kini saya lampi Jakarta baler betah si kami yo here Studio station room Henry dari mga phone pa iba misan layo li Jakarta baler susu. Tengah hakoi ba kapor ispeni biang nakawai part video.
Sawan kansadon ka Orange Festival ruhani.
Oh kata, lanu kata.
Nan kong ni ko. Bam nay ba?
Nay ba. To. Second ma one bam so nyam trash ni baka page sunrise artad. Wow kucing bang. Oh, ler balat.
Lesibun kalayawan. Mo.
Lesibun pi. Perlok perjor ngila ya deblut na dong sedong ngini mino ra kani Jakarta. Kanu kujik semua komen mayo panikiran iba mission nang tu but and how was the experience of content creation with the Mr. Good Freeman?
Very good, but not something I would be able to do for sure.
Aku nak cakap ini nak cakap mesti.
Kakoi pi pila ya la ban you.
Em persang hi tambah long. You don't children club begini.
Biang ani de pila ban maintain nam. Long ki bawan tu long ki chenran je ban you. Ya sih ta. Ma, bisbun mamisan. Bye bye. Ma. Nama keren ya.
Dan ada kecil ruai.
So flop show. Nobody's responding. Bye bye, say bye bye. Bye bye makut. Ose, bye bye makut. Ose. Mau kong. Tu. Taking ini milo ni should we go to you lalom. But first we'll have to get something to eat. Kung semua perlok pergi page nado pasang ada ubekut ngilai apa is kebekut cuma ni video ngilai one page iki bitenat yang kendu ipi piniawan page yuan kai sini mentang portelang lay yuan kai sidu si bahaya yang akan sengai bah internet kisnong tahu tiba tang hadin prabuji lakut kayo pilayo one pie pat susah selong ni selek jong kisnong kita mo. How was the experience Putih?
Great. Amazing. I had so much fun with all of you people.
If you happen to be here in Shillong, in Meghalaya, don't forget to come watch the sunrise at Nong Jurong.
It's worth getting up at 2. It's worth getting up at 2 in the
Yeah,
morning.
right? No?
Beli shibun. Saya let sakai kalau pergi ke Jakarta beli tenang. Ni enjoy ba.
She said belong lawan pihak paniawan baik. Oh, lawan piru pihak paniawan.
Shibun.
Pipet je ke video.
That one was
Ba pipet PP is like P ba pipet.
pet.
Ya ke video.
Ba fi
Pet
pet.
ya
Ya
ka video.
ya ka video.
Thank you so much. Thank you Putih for being part of the vlog. We enjoyed. And
Maybe you guys could come to Sam and do.
yes, I would for sure. Anyway, thank you guys and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Kamar mai kau apa dong ye?
Menyalakan dia.
Bye ya.
Bye.
Tak segini lagi bagi kapor. Kublisbon, Puji.
What?
Kublisbon.
What is that?
Thank you.
Oh, Kublai Shibun.
Kublisbon. Tak kan?